We've just checked into the Cairns Coconut Holiday Park and we are currently at the Cairns Lagoon. Owen's going to go get a massage.
Yeah, I'm about to head off and leave the crew, go down to Sydney for a running race before I rejoin them. So yeah, I'm going to go, so we're going to loosen up the muscles a bit.
Well, we chill out by the pool and get a tan and have a dip. See you soon. And yesterday we arrived in Cairns and we are staying at Cairns Coconut Ingenia Holidays. And honestly, if this place had a supermarket inside of it, you would not need to leave. There is a volleyball court, 2 jumping pillows, a water park, a pool with 2 slides. There's a kids adventure playground with a BMX track, which is currently closed at the moment because they are doing it up. There's pool table, tennis table, there's an actual gymnasium. There's one indoors and outdoors. You can hire carts here.
Got a fair bit of shit. It's like a mini town, the size of it.
Yeah, honestly.
That many cabins.
Oh, it is huge.
But I don't know if it's just the time we're here, but it's pretty quiet at the moment, which is good.
I think we've
got
seen
the place to ourselves.
6 kids maybe.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's pretty cool, so I'll show you around. We are at Cairns Airport. Owen is leaving us. He is racing in Ultra Trail Australia in the Blue Mountains on Saturday. He's doing the 50-kilometre event. So he's flying out from Cairns, going to Sydney, staying with his parents, doing the race, going back to the Gold Coast to check on his business, and then back to see us. So we'll be residing in Cairns the next 8 days, just me and the boys. Watch out. Good luck, honey.
Thank you. No. Get a well-earned break from this crew.
Oh, that's evil. Morning guys, we are here at the Cairns Central Station ready to board the Kuranda Scenic Rail. And on average, the lady said that people spend 2 hours up there having a look around. There is markets, I'm pretty sure, from Thursday to Sunday, and then we'll catch the cable car back down, which is and then we think we'll do to get to stop at Barron Falls for about 10 minutes, which would be amazing because I think that's really flowing at the moment with all the rain that they've had. But we'll show you everything there is to see with Kuranda Falls and these little munchkins with a 2-hour train trip ahead of them. Hey guys, so we've made it up to Kuranda and we've decided to come to the Australian Butterfly Sanctuary. It has over 1,500 butterflies. I'm always a bit worried about when I come to these places where I'm actually gonna see some butterflies flying around, but this one has blown my mind. There are so many butterflies, so many different colors and species, and so many of them have landed on the boys' hats, especially Toby's. So maybe a tip is to wear a yellow hat when you come here.
They think I'm a flower.
And then we went into the little breeding area where you can see some huge Hercules moths, and you see some caterpillars, and you see behind the scenes on how they help to keep these butterflies coming. We are now sitting in the fairy garden, which is lots of tiny little butterflies, mainly yellow ones, but they are gorgeous. And the main aviary we're about to go back through, so there's heaps of waterfalls through there, beautiful green luscious trees, and so many butterflies. And it was $20 for an adult, $10 for each child, and $50 for a family, so definitely worth it. It's beautiful.
We are in the Skyrail going back down to the centre of Cairns.
Ew, how exciting!
Yeah, this is going to be fun.
On the Skyrail!
Oh, yeah.
So it cost me $100 for the 3 of us to come on the Kuranda Scenic Railway, and for the Skyrail back down it was $138 for the 3 of us, so 1 adult and 2 kids. The boys, I think we've been on it for about 30 seconds and the boys are already loving it. You do go past Barren Falls as well as when you do on the train. Where are we?
Bindi.
Babinda Boulders.
Yeah, Bindi boulders.
Is it cold?
Bit. Should I?
Yep, you totally should.
What should I do?
Oh, it's fresh, it's fresh. Hey guys, we are here at Babinda Boulders today and I've already been in. It is a little bit fresh. Zander's about to get in. Toby has chickened out, but it is absolutely stunning. The water is so clear and we are the only people here. Go. How is it?
Fresh.
Fresh? Is it
Should I
good?
get my head wet?
If you want to. Hey boys, where are we today?
We're at Hartley's Crocodile Adventure.
Yes, and what can you see in the water in front of us?
A crocodile.
Oh my goodness! We are going to go on the boat, which in the lagoon here, and they feed the crocodiles with a stick from the side of the boat, so the boys are super excited to see that. Then we're going to go see the croc show, the snake show. We're going to go look at some baby crocs as well, and whatever we see today, we'll be sure to show you around at Hartley's Crocodile Adventures.
And we'll love it! And you guys will too!
1, 2. There is stuff. That's it.
Nice and straight. Get stuck from Hello. Camera. You happy, Zed? Is he cute and soft? Oh, he's beautiful. Kelly. Alright guys, that is a wrap up of our Cairns trip. Owen did leave us and the boys to go and do UTA, which is a 50-kilometre run through the Blue Mountains. But me and the boys did so much stuff. We absolutely loved our time here, and the park, Cairns Coconut, it literally has everything, even a fuel pump. You don't need to do or leave there except to go and get some groceries. It was an epic park and we loved our time. But it is onto Palm Cove, which is just north of there. I know you're better with directions than I am.
Yeah, it's just north. It's about 40 minutes out of Cairns City. Yeah, it's on the way to Hartley's Crocodile Farm and stuff like that. But
South of Port Douglas.
South of Port Douglas still, yeah.
Yeah.
Top spot.
We're currently walking through it now, so you'll get to see it very soon. We'll see you guys soon. Hope you enjoyed the video and it gave you a few ideas on what to do in Cairns.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.